Good day. Our topic for today is how to create a user-defined function. So last time we discussed how to create a simple user-defined function. Now we will pass a value to our parameter in our user-defined function. Okay, so let's start. For example, we create our prototype, add numbers, then the variable, the data type we want to pass. For example, the data type is two integers. Then we have to declare our num1, and second number we have the num2. Okay, then the user define our user interface, so cout enter first number. Okay, then we have cin, then we will store it to num1, another cout enter second number. Okay, so we have another cin, we will store it in num2, then we will call our user defined function numbers. Then we will pass the num1 and the num2. Okay, then next let's create the function itself, and void add numbers, or add numbers, and int x, int y. Okay, then next, so in sum okay, sum is equal now to x plus y. Okay, or simply in sum is equal to x plus y, then cout the value is sum. Okay, so we have here the main method. We declare num1, num2, then the first number we will store it in num1, the second number we will store it in num2. Then we have a call function, so the function name is add numbers, so we will pass the num1 and num2. So the value of x will be the value of num1, the value of y will be the value of num2. Then so we declare sum is equal to x plus y, and we will display the value of the sum. Then end of the function, then go back to the caller. Okay, so the output is cout, the value is sum. Then next statement is return 0. So let's try our program, compile and run. Okay, for example, first number 3 and 2, then the value is 5. Okay, next let's try execute, compile and run, then try 8 and 6. Okay, so that's it. So that is our simple program for passing value in our parameter list.